Hi, how are you? It's Ching. Okay, so we're gonna go into the powerful leg part 2. So last video was part 1. This is all gonna be on my YouTube, channel list. So check it out. If this is the first time for you to see my video, you are so welcome, and there's so much to learn. There's over 100 video already. Check it out because a lot of things I'm going to speak today, I'm not going to break it down. I'm going forward. So if you need to know more about how to do a proper posture, how to move your spine, how to breathe properly to your lungs, not your belly, and it's all in there. Okay, so it's all in my channel list. And so welcome. Okay, I'm going to today's work. Last week we did parallel lines. So your leg has actually 3 different positions from the hip socket. It's laterally, rotate, medially, and center. We don't do medial much unless you're lying down because we don't hurt the joint so much. So leg, right? Quick review. You have 3 joints, okay, connects to 3 parts of your leg together. So a lot of time we say leg, you actually have your thigh, your leg, and then your foot. So that's my whole leg. And you have 3 joints. The hip socket is the largest, right, rotation socket joint, ball and socket joint. And there's more muscle. That's what we have to talk about today. Okay, so you got a hip socket is one big joint. Then the knee joint does a hinge, right, bend and straight. Then the ankle, also beautiful. You can do dorsal flexion, plantar flexion, right? Dorsal flexion, plantar flexion, everting, inverting. You can use that to circle. So the ankle joint is quite free. We don't use enough. So now I have 3 joints. 1, 2, 3 portion. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we're gonna make them so strong. So we call it our feet is the little soldier, and they are small. Isn't that amazing? We kind of this huge body. The feet is not like double size of our body, right? It's less and so delicate. So you have to look agile when you walk because there's several joints for you to do a shock absorb, right? You just practice like I am right now, walking in place. See, it's not a heel down first, okay? There's another video teach you how to walk properly. Because doctor just say go walk and then you hurt yourself because you don't know how. No one taught us because it's too easy, but it's not so easy. So it's my job. I'm going to show you guys all the fundamentals that you have missed before you play any sports, dancing, whatsoever. Okay, here you go. Let's focus today's work. So like I say, the hip socket. So you have gluteal maximum. The maximum is actually gluteal maximum. It's the largest muscle in your body. Inside, right, muscle come in layers. Your body come in layers. The muscle in your body come in layers. Good thing. And so, because they can do multitask, right? So the inside the gluteal maximum, there are 6 rotators, laterally rotate. Now, of course, you have medial rotating the tensor fascia lata. We're not going to talk about that today. So lateral, so for ballet dancer, we call it turn out muscle, turn the toes out, okay? Or deep 6. So it's easy to remember. You say deep 6. There are 6 muscles, of course, have 6 names. Don't worry about that right now, okay? Just feel them right now. So first thing to feel them, right? Okay, here, nice and tall. You can put your hands, this can be your counter, like there, okay? I'm just using a chair. You can see, I can move myself around easier for you to see everything. So I'm standing, my legs same with my hip socket. So my feet, my leg, same with my hip socket. If I squeeze that deep 6, the gluteal maximum go with it. They're a partner, okay? I squeeze, see how my toe went outside? That's laterally rotate, laterally swing away from the midline. If I release my tush, my heel goes out. I squeeze again, and I release again. Okay, that's all. I don't do anymore. You might go to a split, right? So let's come back. Squeeze your glutes, bring the heel in. Release, so lift the toes. Squeeze your glutes, comes in, and release. Do that one more time. You squeeze, and you release. You squeeze, you can hang on. And you squeeze, and you release, and you squeeze, and release. I show you once, don't do it this way. That won't work. That won't work. Okay, you can't feel them because what? They're out to lunch. I'm sorry, they're gone. So that's a sitting position. You not activate them. So it's so important to have a right posture. You have to keep your pelvis neutral. So there's a 5 checkpoint. How to do a proper posture. I will put that on the end screen for you, so you learn how to. If you have right posture, you go for a walk and running. Anything you do, you want to keep that first responder in mind. That's your transverse abdominal. That's your core muscle, the core of the core muscle. Okay, so here we go. Last week we did 3 movements in parallel position to strengthen the leg and including your feet, right? There's 3 movements, and today I'm going to add 2 more positions. So there are also 3 leg positions to make a complete. Okay, so you ready? I'm just going to review quickly from last week. Now I'm going to teach what's today, which is just the leg position differently. And we put together. Okay, so ready? I'm going to hold on to it. You can hold on to counter, anything, railing, whatever you can find. Okay, center island. And nice and tall. Outdoor, you can hold a tree or wall, okay? Or the side of your car. So be creative, okay? But find a straight line. So you bend your knee, see, pelvis does not, you don't stick your tush out. I'm gonna hold on to my first transverse abdominal, release my tush by flex the hip and knee flex, ankles, dorsiflexion too. Push, so all the 3 sections flex. All the 3 sections is the joint is straight. Then you continue push down like a rocket. You push down, you're going up. Stay here. If you take your hands up just a little bit, you're going to talk to the Tom, Dick, and Harry and slowly come down. So this from last week, let's just review quickly. And only do it twice. And up. Stay here, inhale. And exhale, slowly come down. So that's the first movement of the 3. The second movement, okay, you can go straight up. Engage your abdominal. Exhale, 1. You can also reaching down 2. Keep focus. If not, put your hands up. 3. You see, I'm getting stronger after practice and practice and practice. Right? You say, okay, I'm going to try my hands down. No touching. Reaching energy down through your finger and the toes too, right? Go. So that's the second part. You usually do 10 times. The third movement of the 3 movements, the last one, and bend your knee. You ready? So ankle flex, knee flex, hip flexed. Lift the heel up, knee forward. Don't go up and down. I'm going forward, knee forward. Slowly lower the heels to get a nice Achilles tendon stretch. So that's the third movement from last week, right? So here we go. You do that 10 times too. We're going to do exactly same movement in the laterally rotate. So I'm going to do the very first lateral rotation facing here. Then I'll do the second one, so I'll show you quickly. The first time, I just squeeze my glutes. So my legs, my heel, kind of line up with the body, hip socket. And then when I press up, okay, I feel like an evergreen tree, right? The very tall, skinny evergreen tree. And then the next one, the third leg position, you will take that right or left leg out a little more so your heel shoulders width. Then now this time, when you do those 3 movements again, you're reaching up. You feel like an Eiffel Tower, okay? So I will do the first one facing this one. The second is, we'll call it second laterally rotate position of your leg, okay? I will face you so you can see both, okay? Pelvis stay upright. Okay, so you ready? Laterally rotate. You ready? We're going to talk to that deep 6. So you have the gluteal maximum and the deep 6. So this is today's work. Bend your knee, squeeze pelvis upright. Exhale, press all the way up. Inhale. Exhale, slowly, slowly come down. So start feeling what you create. A different sensation. Exhale, come up and pelvis upright. Ankle nice and straight. Inhale, stay. And exhale, slowly, slowly, heels down, return. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, going down to go up. Inhale. Exhale, slowly. You notice my thumbs still pointing forward, right? So I arm on the side, 9 in the front. Exhale, go. Inhale, stay. Exhale, slowly squeeze your glutes, coming down. Last one, inhale. Exhale, press up. Inhale, stay. Exhale, glutes, tummy, and so, oh, sorry. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, exhale, slowly, slowly, slowly comes down. Now you ready? Up and down 10 times. Exhale, 1. I put my hands here so you can see the pelvic upright. And the 2. And the 3. Hollow tummy, 4. Otherwise, reaching down, 5. Reach energy from the finger down, 6. And your leg 2, 7. Exhale, 8. And the 9. And the 10. Return, bend your knee. Okay? This one you need to hold on to support a little bit. You ready? Lift the heel up. 1. Can you see my knee goes outside? That's called laterally. Lateral means away from the midline. 2. Inhale, exhale, 3. Body upright. 4. Right, don't lean forward. And the 5. Open that inner thigh. 6. And the 7. And the 8. And the 9. And last one, 10. Return standing up. Shake your leg out a little bit. You can feel those muscles. Give that leg feel powerful because the legs come from, right, the hip socket, and then a huge muscle here. Now you're going to open, I'm going to face you. So you open the leg a little wider. You know that my heel, same with almost my shoulder, right? So inhale, pelvic upright. So remember, don't flex from the hip, okay? We have to activate them. So say, hello, I'm going to use you now. You go, inhale, press down to go up. Stay here on the inhale. Exhale, slowly heel forward. Spiral down. Inhale. Exhale, going down, down, down. Inhale, stay. Exhale again, engage your downward, slowly spiral down. One last time. Inhale. Exhale, spiral to go up. Inhale, stay here. Exhale, slowly, slowly come down. So you ready? The second part of this, right? There's 3 movements. The second one, push down. You go. 1. Reaching energy down with hands. 2. Hollow your tummy, squeeze the glutes. 3. Front and back, sandwich together. 4. And exhale, 5. Spiral down, 6. Spiral down, 7. Spiral down, 8. Spiral down, 9. And 10. Stay a little longer. Ooh, slowly come down, still squeeze. Bend your knee to release it. Okay, ready? So here we go. With the knee bend, hang on to a little bit. Lift the heel up. See, my knee goes out. I'm not going up and down. And return. So open to the side. Go 2 and return. 3. When your heel come down, don't drop your arch, okay? 4. Hollow your tummy. 5. And 6. And 7. That wasn't good. 8. And 9. And last one, 10. Slowly come down, coming up. So you ready? Release. Da, 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 da. Come back in. Shake it out. Amazing socket. Get to know it, because if we keep doing everything this way, run or walk, treadmill, elliptical, right? Too many things. There are other muscles you have, right? Calf, everything. So thank you so much. So next week, third part, I'm going to introduce you how to do just a heel lift in 3 different positions, which I learned from the 8 Pieces book. Hey, it's a Chinese Qigong and martial Yue training the soldier. They will have to walk from the city to the battlefield, takes hundreds miles to get there, right? So on the way there, they train. It's so smart. He taught the soldier how to strengthen leg, a lot of them, and just a farmer before. So, like us, and we don't have the training to the battlefield, but we're training to take a battlefield of this body, your health, right? Every time something happens, we get a little nervous about it. So learn how to be strong, build your immune system, a healthy lifestyle, you're happier. Okay, thank you so much. Take good care. See you next video.